Hi, Vanzuela here, Sales Executive from Isuzu Gencars Sta, Rosa. And today, we'll be talking about Isuzu tips and tricks. Let's go! Tires. Support your vehicle having the recommended tire pressure and tread. Reduces the chances of a blowout or other related incident. Have your tires balanced and aligned every PM as scheduled. And by the way guys, don't forget to check your spare tire. It will keep you safer on the road. Road safety tips. Make all of this a habit when driving a vehicle. Always wear your seat belt. Always comply with traffic rules and regulations. Always use signal lights when turning. Give courtesy to other cars and pedestrians. And most of all, keep your head cool on the road. And let's also discuss the don'ts on the road. Don't text and drive. Do not drink alcoholic beverages if you will drive later. And don't drive if you are sleepy. Let's always follow the safety tips on the road. Remember guys, safety first. That's all guys for Isuzu tips and tricks. See you all soon. And once again, my name is Vanzuela.
And I'm Melvin Olebenza.
Let's
Let's journey together. Stay safe guys and God bless.